intervention. AI is also being used to enhance cybersecurity, develop autonomous vehicles for logistics and transportation, and even assist in military planning and strategy.
Section 4. The ethical tightrope concerns and controversies. The rapid development and deployment of military AI have not been without controversy. As these technologies advance, they bring with them a host of ethical dilemmas and potential risks that must be carefully considered. Critics argue that the use of AI in warfare raises serious ethical concerns, particularly when it comes to autonomous weapon systems, often referred to as killer robots. These machines, capable of making life-and-death decisions, challenge our traditional notions of accountability and morality in conflict. These systems, powered by AI, would be able to select and engage targets without human intervention, raising fears about the potential for unintended consequences and the erosion of human control over the use of lethal force. The possibility of errors or malfunctions could lead to catastrophic outcomes. The lack of transparency in military AI development also raises concerns about accountability and the potential for bias in algorithms, which could lead to unintended harm to civilians. Ensuring that these systems are developed and deployed responsibly is crucial to maintaining ethical standards in modern warfare.
Section 5. The future of warfare. AI's transformative potential. The future of warfare is inextricably intertwined with the advancement of artificial intelligence. AI is not just a tool, it is a game changer that will redefine how wars are fought and won. As AI technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, its impact on the battlefield will only become more profound. From autonomous drones to AI-driven strategy simulations, the possibilities are endless. While AI offers the potential for increased military effectiveness, it also presents significant risks and challenges. The integration of AI into military operations must be handled with caution and foresight. Striking a balance between harnessing the transformative power of AI for defense purposes and mitigating the ethical and humanitarian concerns it raises will be one of the defining challenges of the 21st century. Ethical considerations must be at the forefront of AI development. The choices we make today about the development and use of military AI will shape the future of warfare for generations to come. It is imperative that we approach this transformative technology with both ambition and responsibility.